Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the LAN Prime Broker dashboard step by step. When we enter the trading cabin in the LAN Prime Broker, we directly enter the My Account page. At the top of the page you can see the advertising banners. The first banner is about copy trading, which advertises copy trading, and you can earn more profit by following professional traders. By clicking on the Join Now option, you can enter the registration page for copy trading, which we will fully teach you about in future videos. And the second banner is about competitions. This banner invites you to participate in the trading competition. And as you can see, the total prize for the competitions is $10,000. To directly register for the trading competition, you can proceed through Join the Trading Competition. The next section is related to My Account, where by selecting the Come with Demo option, you can switch from real accounts to your demo accounts. In the Demo Account section, there is an option for Demo Account, where by clicking on this option, you can open a new demo account. In the New section, as you can see, you are able to sort your accounts based on the oldest and newest created accounts. We return to the real accounts. You can see the first trading account, which is on the MetaTrader 4 platform. It displays the account information in this section. The type of account balance, and by selecting the withdraw option, you are able to withdraw from this account. And by choosing the deposit option, you can directly fund your trading account. In this section, you see 3 dots, and by clicking on them, you can access the full details of the current account, including transferring between accounts, transaction history, changing leverage, changing the trading account password, adding a viewer password, and the last option, deleting the desired trading account. All of these options are similar for your trading account, which is displayed to you in this section. And keep in mind that this trading account of yours is on the MetaTrader 5 platform. On the side of the page, as you can see, in the My Fund History section, which pertains to your transaction history, when you click on the All option, a page with all your transactions will open for you. You can filter by date, the desired trading account, and in this section, you can filter deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers. And you will see the results here. The next section pertains to deposits. In this section, as I explained, it shows you your transactions in different areas. In the account info section, it displays information related to the trading account. In the internal transfer section, if you wish to make an internal transfer, you can use this section. In the internal transfer section, in the From part, you select the account you wish to withdraw from, and in the To part, you enter the account that is to receive the funds. Then you select the desired amount and click on the Submit option. We will explain the details related to deposits and withdrawals comprehensively in the videos dedicated to deposits and withdrawals. The next section is related to changing leverage, where you can change your leverage by entering the desired trading account. The next item concerns changing the password of your trading account. In this section, you enter your current password. Then in the following fields, you enter and repeat your desired new password. After selecting the Submit option, your account password will be changed. If you have forgotten your current password, by clicking the Send Secure Link option, an email will be sent to your registered email address to change the password. The next option is Additional Account. In this section, you are able to add a new trading account by entering the information you see, selecting a password, and confirming that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions related to creating an additional account with LAN Prime Broker. You click, and finally, you select Open a Live Account. As you can see, it displays the various types of trading accounts available at LAN Prime Broker in this section. In the Trading Analytics section, WhiteShine, as you can see, this part is for analyzing your trading performance and provides you with precise statistics such as profit and loss, trading volume, success rate, and trade details. The next section is related to deposit funds, where you can see the methods for depositing and funding your account. By selecting each option, you enter the corresponding section. As you can see, the first part is related to Binance Pay. The next part is through credit card, and you can see the other methods in this section. The next part is the withdrawal method, where you can also see various methods for withdrawing from your Upkind account. Note that in the LAN Prime Broker, the deposit, withdrawal, and wallet options are fixed on the right side of the page for easy access and quick access for your deposits and withdrawals. And in the videos related to deposits and withdrawals through various methods in the LAN Prime Broker, we have explained each of these sections to you in detail. So, the next part. On the top bar of the page is My Profile, whereby clicking on this option, you can view your personal information and user profile and edit them if necessary. The first part is related to identity verification, which we have already completed and has been accepted by the broker. The next part above is the credit card scan file, where you can use information related to the credit card. As you can see, this has been explained to you in full. The next section is related to email subscription. In this section, the items that might be sent to you by the broker will be emailed to your registered email address. The next section is the LAN Wallet section. Your main wallet is within the broker and is used for holding balances and transferring to trading accounts. As you can see, for transfers and deposits and withdrawals from your wallet, you can proceed from this section by selecting the desired trading account. You are able to make internal transfers. The next two sections, which are related to deposits and withdrawals, have been fully explained to you. The next section is the platform, where you are able to download and install platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 for different devices. As you can see, the broker has fully provided this version for all devices and has thoroughly explained how to install and use MetaTrader on your desired operating system. The next option is support, which is for receiving guidance, more, and contacting the broker support. You should use this section, and you will see separate support for each part. The first section is about Shoptide support and getting guidance. The second section is for collaboration with broker LAN Prime NID and having an affiliate. The third section is the email address you see regarding deposit and withdrawal will guide you. And as you can see, by submitting a ticket, you are able to send a message to the support team. At the top of the page, you can see the logout option, which by clicking this button, you will exit the trading cabin in broker LAN Prime, and the language option in this section displays various languages for you, which by selecting it changes the broker's language completely. This was how to work with the broker LAN Prime dashboard, which we explained to you. If you have any questions or if any part needs further explanation, feel free to contact us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.